Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Sdadi toddler tower on the market. The Sdadi LT05W Mother's Helper Adjustable Height Kitchen Step Stool. If you're looking for a sturdy, safe, and versatile step stool for your little one, this product deserves your attention. The Sdadi Mother's Helper is designed specifically for toddlers between 18 months and 3 years old. What sets this step stool apart is its adjustable height feature, allowing the platform to be raised or lowered, so your child can comfortably reach the kitchen counter, bathroom sink, or any other spot that needs that little extra boost. This makes it perfect for hands-on activities like helping out with cooking or learning to wash hands and brush teeth independently. Constructed from solid pine wood, this step stool is built to last. It's finished with a child-safe, lead-free polyurethane coating, which not only ensures your child's safety but also makes it easy to clean up any spills or messes. The solid wood construction gives it a durable and heavy-duty feel, and it's been tested to hold up to 150 pounds. So, it's strong enough to accommodate toddlers as they grow. Safety is a top priority with this model. The step stool features 4-sided railings around the platform to prevent falls and keep your child secure while they climb and stand. Additionally, the legs are equipped with attachable anti-slip strips to keep the stool firmly in place on various floor surfaces, minimizing any risk of slipping. This makes it safe for use in the kitchen, bathroom, or any other room where your child needs a little help reaching higher places. When it comes to dimensions, the stool measures 18.1 inches deep, 15.3 inches wide, and 35.4 inches tall at its maximum height. Despite its solid build, it weighs just 8.8 pounds, which is manageable for parents when moving it around the house. Assembly is required, but it's straightforward, with all the necessary hardware and instructions included. Another great benefit of the Sdadi LT05W is its modern, clean white finish, which fits well into any home decor style without standing out awkwardly. Its design is not just functional but also aesthetically pleasing, making it a nice addition to your home environment. In summary, the Sdadi LT05W Mother's Helper is a versatile, durable, and safe kitchen step stool designed to give toddlers independence while keeping them secure. Its adjustable height, solid wood construction, and thoughtful safety features make it an excellent choice for parents wanting to involve their kids in daily routines like cooking or bathroom habits. If you're seeking a toddler tower that combines functionality and style, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.